Alright, welcome back. Now that you've learned about comments, we can dig into what this module is all about. Control flow. Control flow is directing the Python interpreter to different parts of your program so that it's no longer just executing a sequence of instructions from top to bottom. We'll start with these things called Booleans, which you'll eventually use to write programs that can decide to execute one piece of code instead of another piece based on circumstances. A Boolean is something that can be true or false. You can think of it like an answer to a yes or no question. Here are some examples of what Booleans might look like in real life. And here's what they look like in Python. This is a pair of variables whose values are true and false. Notice that the values don't have quotes. They also start with capital letters. You can pass Boolean variables to the stir function in order to concatenate them with strings, just like you do with integers. So now, in addition to the three variable types you've learned about so far, int, float, and stir, you now know a fourth variable type, bool.